Hey guys, how you doing? What's going on? It's your girl Lilcutenurse. I'm back again with another video. How y'all doing? Okay, y'all. I got some stuff I want to share with you guys. Some stuff I ordered from Amazon. This one item was sent to me. This is Lilova. I want to say it's sent to me by Lilova just to share with you guys. So let's just, just gonna say, y'all, it's pair draws with some panties. But the idea of these was just so innovative to me. I mean, I'll probably give them to my daughter when she get here to test out because I'm young testing this out. So, but I'm pretty sure she will. But the idea, I just had to see what was the hype. Now this is what they are. I'm gonna bring it close so y'all can see what this says. These are a pair of period-proof underwear. Yes. So y'all gotta see how I was just so intrigued. Innovative. This says, let's see. Each of our underwear is made with our unique leak-resistant technology to hold up to 2 tampons worth. It is made of 4 layers to make you 1 feel dry, 2 feel fresh, 3 feel secure, and 4 feel free. Whether you're Lilova alone, wear Lilova alone if you have a regular or light flow, or as a backup if you have a heavy flow. Lilova is also great for occasional spotting, postpartum bleeding, regular discharge, and incontinence and sweat. So I'm like, I got to see how this works. I mean, like, wow. And it's so many different pairs on the site. Did I tell you this is www.lilova.com. Now, I just had to do this, y'all. Somebody gonna be intrigued. And I remember back in the days you had to put 2 of them big old thick pads side by side and keep them moving. I'm just saying. But yeah, now see, I'm big, so I ordered my size. So they big. This is an extra large, and this is the boy cut. So I had to open them already, y'all, and look at them. And I got to feeling around. It's just silky, like lacy. Is this? Yeah, no, this is just a large. This is just a large. I thought it was an extra large. Yeah. And to turn it inside, you can kind of see in the back where the padding is. You can kind of, not really. You can't really see it. I guess you can just feel it. Because when you look at it, you can't see it. But I can feel it in there. Even in the seat. You can't feel it, but you can, you can't see it, but you can feel it. So I don't know. Maybe, like I was trying to say, back in my days, you had them 2 big old bulky pads, one side by side, for them very rough days. So I can see how this might ease you down to make it one. I don't know how it would hold with just nothing. I don't know if I would feel secure, at that, but I can see it. I can see it. It's even got that technology, I guess, that soaks up the moisture. You can even feel it in the back, y'all. I think this is very innovative. Very innovative. And I like the way they look. I really do. I really do. And this is how they look in the front. Okay, I just had to share it with y'all. If y'all want to go to the website and just take a look around, it's www.lilova.com. I've never seen anything like this or even thought anybody had, the idea to come up with this plan. So I just had to share this with you guys. All right, I'm going to quit talking about these dolls. Let's move on. Now, the next thing I got here, let me pull it out. I got this, everything else I got from Amazon, y'all. Okay. This is a nail polish organizer. That's what it looks like. Great, because my polishes hang on the wall in one of those little, I'll take a picture of it. If I remember, I'll take a picture of it and stick it in this video. But they hang on the wall in one of them wall organizers. And I was looking at this. I did put some little toe stops in there. Okay. Alright. I leave a lot of these in the car from when I leave the nail shop. But yeah, this was just so neat to me. And I grabbed a couple of polishes just to see They fit. Wait a minute, is this 2 layers? Yeah, I think this is 2 layers. Is it? Oh, it is. You flip it over. This is one side, and then you flip it over, and you have another side. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. What does this say? I need to read. 48 compartments, so it is both sides. So, okay. Polishes, even round ones. That ones, that's a C and DC. I get it. I get it. Even if you want to take them with you if you're a nail artist. But y'all, I was looking at, man, if it wasn't two-sided, what else could I possibly store in here? Couldn't be something as tall. Maybe beauty blenders. I mean, it's just a lot of options that you can use this for. A lot of options. I'm just trying to find something else. Oh, I know what'll go in here. I guess you could, but why would you? Some makeup, some Fenty matchsticks. If that give you an idea of the size, what'll fit in there? They fit in there perfectly. But it's a lot of things you could store in one of these. Oh, my girl Daisy, that's a crafter. A lot of those little crafty things could go in there. I have to figure out what am I going to actually do with it. But I was thinking about taking my polishes down off the wall and putting them up. So I might just use it for polish. But yeah, you can find this on Amazon. I'll try to find the link to it and link it down below, guys. Okay? That's just neat. Oh, there's the picture on the back with all the polishes. But I can see so many other things that could be stored in this thing. Okay. Let's go on to the next. Now, I've been getting back into my wig making mode. I want to make my own wigs again. And like I said, all this came from Amazon. I don't know if I linked this because you can buy this at the beauty supply. I don't know why I bought this on Amazon. I'm an Amazon addict. And these are just spools of thread to sew wigs. I don't know why. Just sharing it. I did order this Keracare essential oils now with 3 oils. This is a mixture of essential oils. Thank you, Desi. This was her suggestion. And I did use it in this hair today. And instead of getting a frizz, it's just like all together natural. It's not. It still look wet, and I like it. So yeah. I ordered me a big spool. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna make me some wigs. For what you pay, you know, for this hair, of course, occasional, I'll do it. I'll do it occasionally. But yeah, this is a big, huge spool of elastic. And I think this was like maybe $7. Y'all don't make me put all the links below. You can just Google, you know, Amazon spools, right? Because y'all want me to put all the links. Okay, let me pray about it, okay? Just give me a little bit of time to thank that through, alright? And what else I got here? Oh, I got me one of these continuous misting spray bottles. And this one says it's made by Saga Beauty Spray. Have you seen those bottles? Let me see. Oh, it can't hold a lot of water. But when you put water in it, instead of just going pump, 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 let me fill it with some water. I still got another bottle full of water. Y'all, I don't know why I'm still holding on to it, but I'm going to pour it in here. Just so we can see. Ooh, I over poured it. Just so we can see how the sprayer actually works. I just knew that that was going to hold all that water. Pour some of it back. Okay. That's innovative. I'm not sure how that. I don't even want to know how it works. I just want it to work. Okay, let's see. Hold this little head up over here. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. I like that. I like that. It's like a pump, but if you get a big enough pump, it'll go all the way. Did y'all see that? Okay, y'all have my whole room with. I ain't gonna do that again. But this was a really, really good idea. And on the back, it's got like, you could put starch in there. You could be watering your plants or your hair, girl. Y'all see that? You could be watering. I gotta do it one more time. Okay, I'm cool. I'm cool with that. I think that was worth it. I think, let me do it one more time. Okay. Okay. I'm through. I ain't gonna do it no more. I'm really happy, excited that I got that. I got me, let me show y'all this. I got a ring light. I'm gonna put that up by itself so y'all can, I'll probably put that up first before this. I got me a wig stand, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this here was a really good deal. Look how thick that is. It's even thicker and more sturdier than my camera pole. That's the tip of it. That's where your wig head will go. I'm telling you, I got everything. Y'all see that? I'll go ahead. It comes with this little bag to store it in. A little feet, and it just kind of opens up like this, y'all. I didn't do an unboxing on it. I'm sorry, y'all. But you can tell by the look of it, it's really damn sturdy. So, yeah, I'm happy to have that. And the last thing, y'all know, I had to try the hair. I've never ordered any weaving hair. I've ordered a few Amazon wigs, but never any of their hair. So I grabbed this hair, Fadu Body. It says it's a 14, 16, 18, and a 12 inch. And it also says made in China. And this did come in 2 days with my Amazon Prime. So I don't know if it was just made in China and already here, but I got it in 2 days. And the first thing I noticed I liked was the pink bag. And y'all, I'm going to tell you now, this hair was really inexpensive. It was so inexpensive, I'm afraid to look at it. I'm serious. Oh, okay. It says it's 100% virgin human hair. Okay, this is a 18 inch. It doesn't look too thin. Let me open it up. I know somebody wants to see. Keracare, you just showing this hair. Let me see the hair. Okay, I hear you, girl. Let me get it out. Okay. Oh, it's soft too. Oh, look at that. Come on, pick it up. There we go. That's what it looks like. Okay. I don't see a lot of fraying either around the bearding. You know how they had a little short hair? I don't see a lot of that. Okay, what did I get? I think I got a 12, a 14. No, I got a 14. No, what did I get? What was that, y'all? Oh, that's the 18. Okay, 18. I got all body wave. So this is the 18 inch. I know, I just wanted it a little longer. Just a little bit. This is hit about right here. Yeah, that's long enough. That's long enough. And then I got the 16. That's what it looks like. Put them side by side. There we go. Yeah, just a little longer. And then I have 14. And let me tell y'all, these came as in a bundle, and they were, I'm gonna tell you, it wasn't even $8. I don't believe this hair is so soft. It smells like perm. If y'all wonder what I'm smelling, it smells like a perm. All the beards look really good. I mean, all of them look good. And I don't see any fraying on there either. You know, like the little short stubby pieces, I don't see that on there either. And it also came with a 12 inch. Ooh, some lashes. Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. Look how long they are though. Oh, I don't know about that though. I don't know about that right there. But let me show y'all the closure. This is a 12 inch. Not a free part. It's just got, I don't know if I should have got this. I should have got the free part, but this one has 4 parts. Let me open it. So I'm going to take my time, even if it take me 2 weeks. That's what it looks like. It already has the free part. But I am going to need to, yeah, bleach the knots. Can you see that? If I put my hand back there. The knot's gonna need to be bleached. But it's already got parting space. So yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. And I will let y'all know the end result. I don't know how good I'll be at holding the camera. And to be honest, y'all, I am not gonna be standing up. I'm gonna be sitting my fat tail down somewhere sewing this wig. I promise you. But yeah, I just wanted to do this. I just wanted to try it, and I want to share with you guys all the stuff I found and came across. So, you know, sisterly love. That's what it is, y'all. It's sister. So I got to keep y'all up and in the know. I don't know why my phone keep dinging. I'm sorry, y'all. But remember the name, Saker Beauty. And I went with everything that had the highest stars. And if you just Google elastic band rolls, whatever got the highest stars, this one has 5 stars. This is why I chose this hair. Body, I don't know. There's no name, but whatever you see with the 5 stars, best believe that's the hair I got. If I can't find the link, y'all. Come on now, give me some credit. At least I'm saying, y'all, this is where I got it. At least I'm sharing, right? Sharing is caring, right? Okay. I'm gonna go, y'all. I got to go. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you're having a blessed, wonderful day. And I will talk to you real soon. Bye, guys.